Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. Which PostgreSQL feature allows a query to refer to its own output, commonly used for hierarchical or tree-structured data? The correct answer is option B, recursive common table expressions (CTE). What is the primary difference between the JSON and JSONB data types in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C. JSONB stores data in a decomposed binary format, supporting faster processing and indexing. In PostgreSQL, which command is used to update an existing row or insert a new row if it doesn't exist in a single atomic statement? The correct answer is option B, insert. On conflict. Which index type is specifically designed to handle data types that have multiple keys, such as arrays or full-text search vectors? The correct answer is option D, JSON. When using explain analyze, what does the actual total time represent? The correct answer is option C. The real-world time taken to execute the node and its children in milliseconds. Which PostgreSQL isolation level prevents non-repeatable reads, but may still allow serialization anomalies? The correct answer is option C, repeatable read. What is the purpose of the lateral keyword in a join operation? The correct answer is option A. It allows a subquery in the from clause to reference columns of preceding items in the from list. Which internal process is responsible for reclaiming storage occupied by dead tuples created by updates and deletes? The correct answer is option B, vacuum. In a window function, what is the difference between rank and dense_rank? The correct answer is option A, rank skips positions after a tie, while dense_rank does not. Which constraint type ensures that no two rows have overlapping values, commonly used for scheduling or reservation systems? The correct answer is option C, exclusion constraint. What does the distinct on expression syntax do in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. It keeps only the first row of each set of rows where the given expressions evaluate to equal. Which system catalog table would you query to see information about all tables in the current database? The correct answer is option C, PG_class. What is the effect of the truncate command compared to delete? The correct answer is option B. Truncate is faster because it does not scan the tables and bypasses individual row deletes. In PostgreSQL declarative partitioning, which strategy divides data based on explicit values found in the partition key? The correct answer is option C, list partitioning. Which function is used to convert a string into its vector for full-text searching? The correct answer is option B, to_its vector. What is a materialized view in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, a view that stores the result of a query physically and can be refreshed manually. Which PSQL metacommand is used to list all functions in the current database? The correct answer is option A, \df. What does the forUpdate clause do in a select statement? The correct answer is option B. It locks the selected rows against concurrent updates or deletes by other transactions. Which operator is used to check if a JSONB object contains a specific key? The correct answer is option C. What is the purpose of the pg_hba.conf file? The correct answer is option B. To define client authentication rules, who can connect and how. In PostgreSQL, what is a partial index? The correct answer is option B. An index built over a subset of a table, defined by a where clause. Which type of join is not explicitly supported by PostgreSQL's query planner syntax? The correct answer is option D, natural right-outer join. What is the default port number for a PostgreSQL server? The correct answer is option B, 5432. Which command allows you to change the ownership of a table? The correct answer is option B, alter table. Owner 2. What is write-ahead logging WL used for in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To ensure data integrity and atomicity by logging changes before they are applied to data files. Which function would you use to return the first non-null value from a list of arguments? The correct answer is option B, coalesce. What is the fill factor for a table or index? The correct answer is option A, a percentage that determines how much space is left for future updates on each page. Which of the following is a valid way to create an auto-incrementing column in modern PostgreSQL v10+? The correct answer is option B, column_name generated, always AS identity. What does the BRIN index stand for? The correct answer is option B, block range index. In PostgreSQL, what is the search_path? The correct answer is option B, a list of schemas that are searched to find an object, like a table, when it is referenced without a schema prefix. Thank you for watching.